Here's my prize for the Arms Room March 2019 giveaway. It was for a Ryker Nylon AFAK ankle first aid kit that was fully stocked with medical equipment. Mike from over at Ryker got it out to me extremely quick, and I got it right after I won it, which was awesome because I wanted to take it with me to an out-of-state training trip that I'm going to be leaving on here in a couple days. So here is me unpacking it and everything that came with it. This is the AFAK itself with some really nice high quality stickers. Everything, including the business card and the bags that the stuff came in, was extremely high quality. I'm going to reuse the bags for some prepping type stuff, but here's a few different stickers, and here is the AFAK itself. So on the back here is for the chest seals, and then there is the extender, and then on the front here is the individual compartments for the different medical equipment. Now for the medical supplies that came with it. This was a soft T tourniquet. There's a quick clot combat gauze, some gloves, and look at the attention to detail. It even has it stamped on there and wrapped up. I thought that was pretty cool. And just some nitrile gloves, a little med patch, a nice morale patch, some shears, and then the hyphen chest seal. It's a double pack. Here's everything laid out that I just took out, but that was included in the entire upgraded medical kit. Like I said, everything is really high quality. So here I'm putting it together. I had to take the little rubber bands off the soft T here because you want to be able to deploy it quickly. And the windlass is metal, which is cool because the only thing I've ever played with at the Stop to Bleed class was a cat tourniquet. I had a plastic one. So I went ahead and put it in here first, but I ended up having to take it out to put the chest seals in. So I'd advise putting the chest seals in first before putting the tourniquet in because it's bulky and kind of makes it difficult. And for the shears, it took me a second to figure out how to get the strap. I looked on Ryker's Nylon's website, and they actually put it through the handle of the shears, so that's what I went ahead and did here. Figured it would probably be pretty quick. Just unsnap it and pull the shears out, it'll come out. For the quick clot, I got it as small as I could, put it in there so there was enough room to put the gloves in there as well, and went ahead and just shoved those in the side to help take up the room. So here I'm taking the tourniquet out to get the chest seals in, and trying to get it in this way, it took me a while. It kept getting stuck, and I'm retarded, so it took me a while to figure out that if maybe I just turned it so that the fold faces the other direction, that it would fit better, and of course it went in right when I did that. Then I went ahead and put the tourniquet back in. I tried to fan it out as best I could so that it wasn't all bunched up in one spot, and so it wouldn't be rubbing against my leg or anything. Also, I didn't show here, but I added a Sharpie and a pin, and I will be adding a couple band-aids as well, just so I have them. So because I have a bad back, I had to put it on one way and then turn it. So this is how I installed it, and this is how I'll be sitting. If you have any questions, please ask. Also, please remember to support Ryker and the Arms Room, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.